Good evening all. My name is Asha Joshy, one of the OET aspirants from Edu Skills International. First of all, I would like to thank our mentor, Father Saleen Joseph, and all the admin panel members for this opportunity. Friends, as you all know that today we are continuing the how to write an OET letter with the help of 21 steps which our father taught us. First step is explained by Sonia on the first day, how to convert a case note into simple sentence and how to check it with Grammarly. And third and fourth steps is explained by Limna, how to convert the simple sentences into complex sentence and how to check it with Grammarly. Today is the third day. We are going to discuss about how to convert the simple and compound sentences into a complex sentence. This is the fifth and sixth steps, and I'll explain how to check it with grammar. We can see what is a complex sentence. Complex sentence contains an independent clause which can stand alone and one or more dependent clause that cannot stand alone. After a dependent clause, we have to put a comma and then we have to write the independent clause. If you are writing the independent clause first, no need to put a comma, then we have to write a dependent clause. Now I can show one example for that. If you have any queries, please contact me. Here, after dependent clause, that is, if you have any queries, it is an independent clause. After that, we put a comma here, then wrote, please contact me. It is an independent clause. We can write this sentence into other form. That is, we can write the independent clause first. Please contact me. This is an independent clause. So no need to put the comma. Then we have to write if you have any queries. This is a common example about the complex sentence. Then we'll move to the case note. It's visible to all. Yes, this is a case note, a sample case note of Mr. Lionel Ramamurthy. Here we can see this case note is converted into simple sentences first. It is shows in a yellow shade, and then in blue shade we can see the compound sentences. Here the green shade is the complex sentence. Now we can see that how to convert this complex sentence, how to convert this simple sentence and compound sentence into a complex sentence. Here we can see Mr. Ramamurthy, a 30-year-old married engineer, and he has 3 kids who are less than 10 years old. Mr. Ramamurthy's other next of kin is seen, a 30-year-old teacher who works overseas, married, and has an infant. These two sentences we can make as a complex sentence, and we can write like, despite having 2 sons, comma, Mr. Ramamurthy lives at a community retirement home in Newtown after his wife's demise. Then moving to the another complex sentence. Here we can see that Mr. Ramamurthy has been diagnosed with osteoarthritis and he is on Voltaren. Has been diagnosed with the osteoarthritis mainly in his fingers. That is a simple sentence. Here one compound sentence is there. Mr. Ramamurthy has been diagnosed with osteoarthritis and he is on Voltaren. This we can convert into a complex sentence like, Mr. Ramamurthy has been diagnosed with arthritis mainly in his fingers, comma, for which he is on Voltaren. Then again, one more sentence is constructed here. Mr. Ramamurthy had decreased eyesight due to cataracts and which were removed 60 months ago. However, he needs regular follow-up. Next, one more sentence is there. On admission, Mr. Ramamurthy required assistance for ADL. On admission, Mr. Ramamurthy was very weak and required assistance for activities of daily living. This we can convert it into a complex sentence like, as a result of increasing shortness of breath on exertion, comma, he ambulated only short distance. One more sentence we can see, Mr. Ramamurthy walks slowly. This 50th sentence is shows like, Mr. Ramamurthy has dry cough. Mr. Ramamurthy has some chest pain. Mr. Ramamurthy has some abdominal pain. Here we can see a compound sentence. Mr. Ramamurthy has some abdominal and chest pain with a dry cough. Here we can write as a complex sentence. And in Mr. Ramamurthy's febrile and inflammatory markers are normal. With including these sentences, we can make an complex sentence like, however, his inflammatory markers are back to normal, comma, he has a dry. Then moving to the next side, Mr. Ramamurthy was initiated with chest physiotherapy and encouraged to do deep breathing and a coughing exercise. Here we can construct a sentence like, Mr. Ramamurthy has chest pain. Here one word is missing due to persistent cough. Therefore, he was initiated with chest physiotherapy and encouraged to do deep breathing and coughing exercise. Mr. Ramamurthy has chest pain. Therefore, due to the cough, therefore he was initiated with chest physiotherapy and encouraged to do deep breathing and coughing exercise. And we can see another one. This sentence we showed before in the beginning of the complex sentence, that is, if you have any further queries, comma, please do not hesitate to contact me. That one we can make into other sentence like, please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any further queries. If we use the independent clause first, we have to no need to put a comma in between. If using a dependent clause first, we have to use the comma in between. Friends, hope you got an idea about the complex sentence and how to convert a complex compound and simple sentences into complex sentence. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can raise it in this platform, or you can comment in our YouTube channel. Next step will be explained by Sumi Pratap, one of our admin panel member. Now I Sumi Pratap for more explanation.